touch, I could with just one touch, I could feel my body giving.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Wanda Wulandari and these are my friends Salwa Febriani and Andrini Yula. Now we would like to share a story called The Secret Garden. It was written by Frances Hawthorne Burnett. Now we are going to review this novel and share what we found interesting about it. Andrini Yula will tell us about the scenery.
Alright, The Secret Garden tells the story of Mary Lennox, an unhappy and spoiled 10-year-old girl. After her parents suddenly died in India, she was sent to England to live with her uncle at a large and lonely estate called Misselwhite Manor. At first, Mary disliked her new home. However, her ways begin to change because of Martha, a kind maid who teaches Mary to be independent and encourages her to play outside. While exploring the grounds, a friendly bird guides Mary to a hidden cave and a locked door. This door leads to the secret garden, a private place that has been closed for 10 years since her aunt's death. Mary decides to secretly take care of the garden with the help of Martha Brothers, Deacon, a boy who loves nature. Later, Mary discovers another secret in the house. Her cousin, Colin, a weak boy who stayed in bed because he believes he's going to the garden. Mary and Deacon bring Colin into the secret garden, and through the power of friendship, fresh air, and positive thinking, both Mary and Colin experience a great change. Colin surprisingly learns how to stand and walk again. And the story ends happily. When his father returns home, he opens the garden door and is surprised to see his son running and healthy. The family is finally together again and happiness returns to the manor. Alright, that's very interesting novel. Next, let's share which part of this novel is the most interesting for each of us. Let's start with Wanda. In your opinion, which part did you like the most?
Hello, I'm Wanda. My favorite part is chapter 27 in the garden. So one line that I like is where you can always highlight and install and grow. I chose this part because it has a beauty and inspiring new rule symbolizes positive thoughts, kindness and hope, while the thistle symbolizes negative thoughts and bad feelings. This word teaches us that when we focus on these things and nurture them, negative things will have the chance to grow in all ways. I like this word because it reminds me to stay positive and keep improving myself. So what about you, Salwa?
Hello, I'm Salwa. The interesting characters rise from chapter 3 across the world. Chapter 3 tells about Mary's journey across the Yorkshire Moor through Missouri. During this journey, Mary learns about the moor, uncle, and the mysterious players where she belongs. This chapter is important because it introduces the setting and creates a mysterious atmosphere for the rest of the story. For example, the dialogue like, Mary, what is a moor? It's a wilderness with nothing but
in my opinion, one of the best is the part of Martha. In this section, we see an interesting class of cultures. Mary is used to living as a spoiled rich child in India, but Martha firmly refused to spoil her. This novel is very interesting because the author used the real Yorkshire dialect. One of my favorite parts is when Mary asks, "Who's going to dress me?" She expects Martha to do everything for her, but instead of helping, Martha answers, "Can I dress decent?" Which means, can you dress yourself in standard English? For me, this part is very funny but also important for Mary growth. It is the exact moment she learns to be independent. Okay, so those are the parts that we found interesting, and to end the video, Salwa will give a conclusion about this novel.
Alright, in conclusion, The Secret Garden is a contemporary novel that highlights the power of friendship, nature, kindness, and positivity. Throughout the story, Mary Lennox undergoes a remarkable transformation from a spoiled and unhappy girl into a caring and joyful person. With the help of Martha, Rita, and Harry, she learns valuable lessons about independence, hope, and personal growth. From her first encounter with the rising moon to the inspiring message in chapter 27, the novel shows that nurturing positive powers and goodness can overcome negativity. In conclusion, The Secret Garden teaches readers that love, friendship, and optimism can bring happiness, healing, and positive change to people's lives.
Okay everyone, that is our review of this novel. Thank you for watching, and we are very sorry if we made any mistake in what we say. See you again in the next project. Bye.